This guide provides detailed instructions to build the zip code distance calculation assistant. It is designed to calculate the distance between two locations, automatically identify the closest terminal and the estimate time. The type of this agent is chatbot. Please create our blank workflow, add the same blocks and complete connection as shown. Get data node is a parameter extractor block, which extracts the structure parameter from users entering. Here the configurations should be completed. Choose language model, set input variable. Then configure the zip code for original location and destination. Finally, fill prompts into instruction, which makes this node know how to execute. Configure next block code execution, which can execute a piece Python. Choose input variable. Enter the codes, which is used to verify the validity of the two zip code. Then set the output variable. There is two results for zip code verification, so we set two branches for invalid result. Set if branch is invalid scenario, add additions for either zip code is empty. Click the answer node to add the error message prompt for invalid scenario. Please enter the prompt into the box. Now, start complete configurations for valid scenarios. There are 3 features for the agent, so we divide the else branch into 3 sub-branches. Calculate distance feed true is to calculate the distance between two zip code locations. We should choose the API method and paste API path for the calculation. Then set up the parameter and the data body type. Ready for setting nearest terminal identification feature. Set up API method and path to identify the terminal closest to the original point. Then configure the header and params, choose a body type. Next, set a parameter extractor block on this branch to get terminal code. Set up language model and input variable, then customize extract parameters. Last, configure another HTTP recs to get the terminal details such as address. Please choose API method, fill in API path. Set up headers and choose the target body type. After that, nearest terminal identification feature has completed settings. It's time to configure transit days calculation feature. This feature also requires a HTTP request block to execute. Please choose API method and fill API path as well. Then set the body type as XWWW form row encoded. Add a template block to convert the data to string using Jinja template syntax. These data is the basic for next process by OLM. Set up the input variable. The parameters are from the 3 features, including distance, terminal, and days. Then edit the code below. Set up the language model and prompts on LLM block. Here, the prompts define how to organize answer in the answers format. Proceed to the final step in the workflow. Introduce the text string from last LLM into answer. All configurations have been completed now. If you want to test the actual result, please click Preview to view it. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to build a zip code distance calculation assistant.